Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting yourself and the workspace. Gloves, eye protection, and a respirator matter. Next, clean the glass and vehicle flange thoroughly with 50/50 isopropyl alcohol to remove oils and contaminants. Use a razor and wire wheel to remove existing urethane. Be methodical to avoid damage. Once clean, apply the recommended primer to both glass and metal surfaces, following the product's timing. Make sure to wait the specified 10-15 minutes for tack development before moving to adhesive application. You prepare the polyurethane cartridge and gun, cut the tip to create a 3-5 mm bead and puncture the inner seal. If using two-part systems, follow the mix ratio precisely and purge the gun until color is uniform. Apply a continuous bead around the flange with a steady 90 degrees nozzle angle, maintaining 1/4 to 3/8 inch thickness where specified. Once the bead is in place, lift and set the glass carefully within the product's specified window, typically 4 to 10 minutes, so the adhesive bonds without sagging. You must secure the glass with tape or wedges to maintain correct alignment and 2-4 mm compression on the bead. Do not rely on suction alone. Make sure the vehicle sits level and let the adhesive cure, typically 24 hours before driving and 48-72 hours for full structural strength. If you see gaps, runs, or a weak bond, remove the failed urethane, re-clean and reprime both surfaces, then apply fresh polyurethane. This step fixes contamination issues and ensures safety. Do not shortcut the cure or prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.